ride Peter Pan, so we have a fast pass, but it's not really moving, and it is pouring outside. It is like, let me see. Not sure if you can see it, but it's very bad. It's very bad. Straight to PhilharMagic because it was the closest ride where we weren't going to get wet. So now we're waiting for PhilharMagic. So basically, because it's raining, everything's closed, and the things that aren't closed have a massive wait time. We walked past Haunted Mansion and the wait was 90 minutes. And it wasn't even the Halloween party night, so that's insane. We tried to ride our Fast Pass for Big Thunder, but we couldn't because it's raining. So now we're going to try the carpets, which I don't think you can see. We're going to try the carpets. So it's open and it's a reasonable wait. So that's pretty much all the criteria is right now. Magic carpets in our wonderful ponchos. Height of fashion. We're dodging the camel. We don't want it to spill water on us. Oh, it's so pretty. On the carpet. Woo! Whoa, we're down. And we're going up. And we're down. Up and up. Woo! Space Mountain. And it's not down. And we have a fast pass. That's Dream Ed. But the fast pass entrance looks longer than the standby entrance. Oh my gosh. This day is insane. It's stunning. Are you scared? We've got our own little fast pass ride queue, which is pretty fun. If little children should do this ride, so pretty. Finally got on a ride, a thrill ride, Space Mountain. I don't think it's as fast as Disneyland. I don't think it's as fast, which is good if you don't like it fast, but I like it fast, so. So we have made the executive decision to go to Epcot because literally everything is closed at Magic Kingdom. It's actually really bad, like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is closed, Big Thunder Mountain is closed, so we're going to Epcot and we're going to come back for the fireworks. And it is so much better. We're just getting on to Spaceship Earth, which is a 15-minute wait, which is about an eighth of the waits that are currently at Magic Kingdom, and plus it is so much quieter. So my advice is go to the Magic Kingdom on a Halloween party night, because there won't be as many people there. If you go on a night where there's no Halloween party, it's going to be insane. Select your star. We selected English. Probably a good thing, because we can't speak any other languages.
Connected.
Character spot in Epcot where you meet Minnie, Mickey and Goofy. I used to be in charge of the entrance and the doors. See? Character spots. So I'm pretty excited because I get to meet Minnie in my Minnie outfit, and I'm still putting together considering it's been raining. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a good photo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sky Princess. Happy birthday to you. we just finished up meeting Mickey, Minnie and Goofy, and Mickey sang me happy birthday and Minnie really liked my outfit, and we started a campaign to make her a Disney princess, which obviously needs to happen. And also we just stopped by Club Cool and we got a free frozen Coke. Amazing! So you get that for your birthday, and it's fairly big. See? There's my head. There's the Coke. I think it's good. It's a good deal. So get a frozen Coke if it's your birthday, because why not? Enjoying the free frozen Coke.
Birthday frozen Coke.
My birthday frozen Coke, and I generously donated it to her.
And it's nice. It's like Australian frozen Coke from McDonald's.
There you go, McDonald's frozen Coke. At Epcot, everyone. Drink it with a double straw, obviously. That's the way to do it. So I just got the burger from Earth Eats, and I've heard really good things about this burger, so I'm expecting big things right now. It's got a bit of beef, it's got a potato chip, which is amazing. So let us see. That's really good. I think the best part of it is the sauce. I'm not quite sure what kind of sauce it is, but it's good. The hype is real over this burger. It is real. So the burger is really good. It's probably my second favorite after the Italy, but it was still pretty good. Like, if you like burgers, you like this. It's just probably because I have a soft spot for zucchini and sweet potato. We've left the calm of Epcot and we are now in the chaos of Magic Kingdom. Happily ever after fireworks. Bought some merch and now we're just waiting. We got a pretty decent spot considering we're only here 15 minutes ahead. But I'm really excited to see this. I'm not sure if it's going to be better than Wishes, but we'll see. Second attempt to ride the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train today. Is extra magic hours at the parks open extra 2 hours for Disney Resort guests, and it is still packed, and we've been waiting I think an hour and a half now, but we want to ride this ride, so we're still here. Mine Train has arrived. Hey everyone, we just rode the Mine Train and I'm signing off. We're at Starbucks actually now getting a Frappuccino, so we might be a while, but I'm just so tired. I'm just dead. But we got to ride the Mine Train, that is the most important thing. So, see you tomorrow. Bye. Now I know I said I signed off from the vlog, but they just gave us a free Frappuccino for my birthday and I'm so happy. Saving money, and I got a free one too. Yes! I love Starbucks and Disney is the best. Frappuccino. It says happy birthday, it's so cute. It tastes better when it's free. It's free.